Hello everyone, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this video, we will see another type of problem on exact differential equation. So in exact differential equation, first we will check whether partial differentiation of m with respect to y is equal to partial differentiation of n with respect to x. So if these two are equal, then our given equation is exact. For this, the solution is given by integration of m treating y as constant plus integration of n neglecting terms which has x equal to some constant. So this is the basic solution of this type of problem. So this is our question. As you can see, we need to find the solution of this equation, but this equation is not in the form m dx plus n dy. So we have to make this equation in this form. For that, we will cross multiply. We get dy into this part, that is x square minus x into tan square y plus sec square y, which will be equal to dx. So dx will go here into this part, which is tan y minus 2xy minus y. If I take this dy part on the right hand side, we will get dx into tan y minus 2xy minus y. So if I take this part on the right hand side, so here it is positive, so after going on right hand side it will become negative, minus x square minus x tan square y plus sec square y into dy equal to 0. So as you can see, this equation is now of the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0. What is m? M is the term containing dx, so this is our m. So m is nothing but tan y minus 2xy minus y. What is n? N is nothing but the term of dy. So dy term is this value. Now in this case we have to consider the minus sign because here it is plus. So n is minus of x square. If I multiply this minus here, it will be plus x tan square y, and if I multiply this minus with this plus, it will be minus x square y. It's just that I am taking the negative sign inside the bracket. So we got the value of m and n. After getting the value of m and n, we take the partial derivative of m with respect to y, treating x as constant. So what is derivative of tan y? Derivative of tan y, as we know, is nothing but sec square y. So x is, in this case, x is constant, so 2x will remain as it is. What is derivative of y? Derivative of y is 1. Similarly, what is derivative of y? Derivative of y is 1. So we get partial derivative of m with respect to y as sec square y minus 2x minus 1. So here we are going to use one property. We know that tan square y is nothing but sec square y minus 1. This property has came from tan square y plus 1 equal to sec square y. So if I take this one on the right hand side, I will get tan square y as sec square y minus 1. So here we, as you can see, we have sec square y and minus 1. So we can replace these two terms by tan square y. So we will get minus 2 will remain as it is, so minus 2x, and we will get plus tan square y. So this is how we modify our terms. So after finding partial derivative of m with respect to y, we will now calculate the partial derivative of n with respect to x. In this case, y will be constant. So y is constant. So here first we have minus x square. The minus sign will remain as it is. What is derivative of x square? Derivative of x square is 2x plus tan square y is constant, so it will remain as it is. And what is derivative of x? Derivative of x is 1. So 1 into tan square y minus sec square y. What is sec square y? Sec square y is constant because y is constant and derivative of constant is 0. So if you modify this, we will get minus 2x plus tan square y. So if you see why we did this substitution, we did this substitution so that our partial derivative will be same. So from this two we can conclude that partial derivative of m with respect to y is equal to partial derivative of n with respect to x. So our given equation is exact differential equation. So for exact differential equation, the solution is given by this.